Most devices do one thing well. 2, if you're lucky. The Highboy does 7. Simultaneously, on the same hardware. No extra modules needed. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, LoRa, the signal that goes through walls and across miles, NFC, RFID, Sub-GHz, infrared, open source. You can see everything happening inside it. Fix it with your own hands. It's actually yours. Others tried. The difference is, we finished. To have all of this, they need a bag. We fit in your pocket. The real all-in-one in your pocket.